Here's another example of how the Warriors are using physical AI to support their players.
Yeah, at first it was definitely weird, having all these robots moving around and doing stuff.
No, this isn't a scene from Space Jam. And no, Stephen Curry hasn't been recruited by the Monstars. But what you're looking at is real. The NBA just introduced its first ever AI-powered robots, and they're already changing the game. At the 2025 NBA All-Star Summit, Commissioner Adam Silver unveiled 3 futuristic machines designed to train, compete, and even boost team morale. So, are we witnessing the future of basketball, or is this just the NBA's latest high-tech experiment? Let's break it down. Starting off with A.B.E, Stephen Curry has played alongside some incredible teammates, but his newest training partner might just be the most relentless yet. A.B.E, long for the automated basketball engine, a robot that doesn't complain, doesn't get tired, and definitely won't miss a scheduled workout because of load management. A.B.E is built for one thing: efficiency. It rebounds every shot, no matter where it lands, and fires pinpoint passes right back to Curry's shooting pocket. There's no waiting for a teammate to shag balls or reset a drill. The moment the ball leaves Curry's hands, A.B.E is already tracking its trajectory, calculating the rebound angle, and zipping the ball back with robotic precision. It's a game changer for any player looking to maximize their efficiency. Fully uninterrupted training, it's the kind of futuristic tech that once seemed impossible, but here it is, already integrated into NBA training sessions. And if that sounds advanced, wait until you hear what the Warriors are doing with an entire squad of AI-powered defenders. Moving on, Steve Kerr has coached against some of the greatest defenders in NBA history: Kawhi Leonard, Draymond Green, prime LeBron. But now, he's up against something entirely different: robots. M.I.M.I.C, the NBA's newest practice squad, programmed to react, adjust, and give the Warriors an opponent that never falls for the same trick twice. M.I.M.I.C stands for Motion and Intercept Modular Interface Coordination. That's just a fancy way of saying, these machines are terrifyingly good at basketball. They track micro-movements, analyze plays in real time, and react faster than any human defender ever could. If a player hesitates for even a fraction of a second, M.I.M.I.C has already shifted into position. If someone tries to drive to the hoop, the robot not only moves, it calculates the exact angle needed to cut them off. There's no guessing, no defensive lapses, just pure, unrelenting coverage. Kerr, known for his fiery coaching style, treats them like any other player on the team. If they're out of position, or at least if they don't move the way he wants, he lets them hear it. He's already been caught yelling at them to get out of the way during a practice drill, which is both hilarious and slightly unsettling. Yelling at a rookie might be normal, but yelling at a machine? That's when you know the robots are officially part of the squad. They force players to stay sharp, adjust faster, and develop counters for situations that, until now, were impossible to simulate. How often do NBA players get to practice against an opponent who reacts instantly and never slows down? It's an entirely new way to train, and Kerr is already taking full advantage. Of course, not every robot in the Warriors' locker room is built to shut down superstars. Some of them are just there to keep the team in good spirits. While A.B.E and M.I.M.I.C are all about discipline and intensity, K.I.T is the first AI in NBA history whose job is, well, fun. K.I.T, short for Kinematic Interface Tool, doesn't rebound, doesn't defend, and certainly doesn't challenge anyone to a game of one-on-one. What it does do, however, is cruise around the locker room, playing motivational speeches, cracking jokes, and somehow managing to keep Draymond Green entertained, which, let's be honest, might be its most impressive feature. Let's say after a brutal practice, the team is exhausted, dripping sweat, and trying to summon the energy to get through another round of conditioning. Just as morale starts to dip, in rolls the K.I.T, blasting a classic sports speech, maybe something from Any Given Sunday or a legendary Michael Jordan pep talk. A second later, it's switching gears, playing highlights from past championships or throwing on a stand-up comedy clip just to lighten the mood. It's part hype man, part personal DJ, and part sports psychologist, all wrapped up in an AI-powered package. Draymond, of course, has taken full advantage of K.I.T's entertainment capabilities. The moment it was introduced, he put it to the test, asking it to recite his best trash-talking moments, replay his top defensive highlights, and even pull up videos of him making teammates laugh. In his mind, the robot is his own personal PR machine. And, unlike the human staff, it never gets tired of hearing him talk. Not to mention, the robot also adapts. If the team needs a little extra push, it goes full on. Remember the Titans mode, dropping inspirational clips like it's trying to get them to run through a wall. It is tailored to the locker room's energy, basically an AI-equipped version of that one teammate who always knows exactly what to say. Now, while K.I.T might be all about keeping spirits high, it's just one piece of the larger AI revolution taking over the NBA. Because beyond the Warriors' locker room, this technology is starting to reshape how teams train, strategize, and even think about the future of the game. Apart from these three, there's also A.B.E, short for Bot Enhanced Basics and Equipment, which focuses on what happens before and after the game. It assists players in preparation, making sure they have everything they need before stepping on the court, and it helps with recovery by monitoring physical conditions and recommending the best post-game routines. A healthcare assistant that knows exactly when you need an ice bath, a massage, or just a moment to breathe. Including, it'll remember to bring the water bottles and won't lose track of schedules. Physical AI, the company behind the robots showcased at the 2025 NBA All-Star Summit, is bringing cutting-edge tech to the game. While details remain scarce, their capabilities hint at a future where AI and athletics are more connected than ever. But before physical AI even joined NBA training, Toyota introduced Q back in 2017, an AI-powered humanoid basketball robot. Q6, the latest version released in 2022, set a Guinness World Record by sinking over 2,000 consecutive free throws. This marked a major step in integrating AI into basketball, paving the way for today's advanced training robots. It's crazy to think 25 years ago, the NBA was still figuring out how to use the internet for training. Fast forward to today, and the league is running full-scale AI-integrated practice sessions. The days of relying solely on human coaches, trainers, and analysts are fading. Robots are already shooting with more precision than many NBA players, and soon, AI could help with game strategies, make quicker calls, and assist coaches with real-time data. We're just starting to explore AI's potential in the game. So, as we see AI take on a bigger role in the NBA, it's clear that the future of sports technology is evolving. What do you think about this tech revolution in basketball? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of sports.